today I'm out and about having a look for some bolets. I've spotted a couple of chanterelles, so we're going to get something regardless. But yeah, let's go and enjoy a day out in the forestry. Got a lot of these bad boys about. Close but no cigar. Trumpet de la Morte. Oh la la. Could barely see them. A few of those are little baby groups, but absolutely dreamy. Let's pluck a few of these bad boys up. A nice bag of Trumpet de la Morte coming on there. Absolutely delightful. I weren't looking for those, as I said at the head of the video. I'm out looking for some bolets. I found some chanterelles and some Trumpet de la Morte. So yeah, I'm really happy at the moment. Gonna have a little bit more of a scout round and then just pop back if not. Gonna make an absolutely lovely little pasta dish with those. You get a night in there. And yeah, pro tip, basically whenever I'm looking for mushrooms, again, it's just kind of knowing the environment, the atmosphere, all of those things help. But if you just want it from the basic, learn your trees and then which ones come near there. So chanterelles, for example, they love a good old oak, they love a good birch. So yeah, you're just upping your chances. What do we have here? Lovely jubbly. So managed to get me a few chanterelles just over there. Got to clean those off. A nice bolet and a load of Trumpet de la Morte, if you can see them properly there. Lovely. Always nice to get something when you come out, regardless of anything. At least you've had a potter about. Bon appetit.